Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this circular fade effect in a Canva without using any pro tools or any third-party applications. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just need a new image. I will use the same as used before, like here. And if you see my previous video, the technique will be very similar. So I just adding a rectangle. We can still use the letter A or letter R, sorry, to add this rectangle, but we can use it searching in shapes. So now going to the colors, scrolling down until the gradients, add any gradients, scrolling up to the colors, add a new color, and here first we need to change to the circular gradient, and we need to find the color what we would like to use. Like this is a business, so we can use some blue, and we just need to add 4 of them, and we can need to remove this black. So click on the first one, remove the opacity, reduce to 0, and doing the same with the second one. That's already a nice thing. We already have this nice circle, but we still can do, we can reduce the opacity on the third one to not to 0, but to like 50% to get more sophisticated image. That's nice. And if you would like to do it even better, maybe we can remove the background on the original image and add some light blue or some blue background to get it more interesting. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people. Plus, if you have any questions, struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit the description where you can find links for my TikTok page, Instagram page, and Facebook page, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in the Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.